Guys, good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. Yan, for this episode, unboxing episode tayo ngayon and mag-unbox tayo ng action camera na galing sa Alston guys. Ayan, try natin yung product ng Alston. Let's go. Ito yung parcel kanina guys. From Alston. Ayan. Alston PH. Box tayo, unbox. Open. Let's go. Bubble wrap. Bago. Let's see what are the things inside the box. Mount niya, meron cord for charger. Ayan. Tapos meron pa another mount extra na tapos ito tapos may towel yata to pangpunas ng linsya. Ito hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Tapos manual. Ayan. Ng handle. Ayan no. Isang case. So ito. Try natin i-open guys. Ito i-open. Okay. Yan. on. Saan yung on? Charging indicator. Off. Kao na guys. Camera. Okay. Malinaw yung camera guys. Camera. Lobat pala kaya wala yan. Yan. Lobat. May plastic pa. Try natin yung plastic. Okay. Yan. Hello. Yan guys, try natin yung footage during night time. Ito na yun guys. During night time. Ayan. Liwanag. Mas maliwanag pa sa kinabukasan ko guys. Ayan. Nice yung kanyang kuha. Alright. So ayun yung footage niya during night time guys. Tapos bukas kukuha tayo ng footage during daytime. Ayan. And sana maganda yung footage underwater guys. Hoping na lamang na maganda yung kuha niya. And looking forward for that. So ayan. Bukas try natin. Case niya guys, ilublob natin sa tubig just to make sure na hindi pasukan ng tubig. Or wala bang leakage yung casing niya. So ayan. Bukas uli. Try natin.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, ito pa yung footage niya during daytime. Ayan. Maliwanag. Ayan. Mainit yung panahon ngayon. And then ito yung front cam. Alright guys, yun yung mga footage niya. Set up natin yun mamaya sa ating flashlight guys. And then abang-abang na lang tayo sa underwater footage niya. Dive tayo. And that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching guys. See you soon.